Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the language you speak in the Babbel app on your phone. If you are learning a new language or want to switch to another, this guide will make the process quick and simple. By following these steps, you can easily update your spoken language. First, open the Babbel app on your phone. Look toward the top right and tap on the profile icon. Next, from your Profile menu, tap on My Languages. Under the I Speak option, tap on the current language displayed. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through and select the language you want to use. After choosing your preferred language, click on OK to confirm your selection. Once you make your selection, the app will update your preferences immediately. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends who are learning new languages. Thanks for watching and happy learning!